Ta-da!
Good
Morning.
Welcome back to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Alright then, this morning we did our harvest. We did shopping in our
garden.
so
apparently.
we don't need to go to Publix or Costco or Whole Foods. What we got, it's papaya leaf. We're gonna do something with this papaya.
All right, so these are the very new papaya leaves at the top of the plant, not the ones on the bottom.
Yeah, it's the young papaya leaf.
The young ones, they're more tender and you know, for growing, if people are not familiar with papaya trees, they can get quite tall, like 20-25 feet tall.
Yeah.
And then, so actually the fact that we are cutting these, we'll keep that tree shorter, and it'll still give us fruit that we can actually pick.
Yes. Besides that, papaya is common thing in my island, especially in Sumbawa Island. My mom loves papaya leaves. It's good for your eyes.
Okay.
And it's good for because papaya leaf is kind of bitter. So it's good if you have a diabetes.
Okay.
A high sugar level. It's good for you. So it will control your sugar level.
Okay.
So we're gonna make salad with this, with tofu. This is tofu, but it's a noodle. It's tofu, but it's noodle. So we're gonna mix with this, and then perhaps we're gonna use some of the long bean to mix with this as a salad.
Yeah, the long beans and the okra have been growing like crazy. Yeah. So definitely a big, prosperous vegetable in the summertime here in South Florida.
We're gonna cook tempeh later.
Okay, that's later.
We're gonna use I think bumbu kuning. We're gonna use for
let's go.
the salad. Okay, let's go.
What do you want me to do?
So this one, we're gonna boil this papaya. Yeah, just put in the water here. Do you want to show them
Yeah.
So we're gonna boil this leaf. Yeah, take the young leaf, the really young leaf. Okay. Here. Yeah. Okay. Just boil it for couple minutes. I mean. Okay. I'll do this. Hold up. 4 of them. I'm not gonna use a knife to cut this long bit. This is how we do in Indonesia. Okay, so 1. Okay, I think that's long. It's fine. Maybe you can cut it shorter if you want. Okay, let them cook this papaya, and then we're gonna put the long bean here too. Okay, put the long bean. I want them to be crunchier, so don't cook them too long. Okay, after that we're gonna cook this noodles maybe like 1 minute. Because it's already cooked, what you need to do is just reheat it. So we're gonna mix here. In Indonesia we use shredded coconut, but I don't have shredded coconut. No, it's just pure veggies we're gonna use. Okay. Let me try. Okay. So bitter, but that's fine. You just put some. Or when you boil it, put some salt in the water, that's fine. But I'm just gonna put the salt here. Okay. We have this. This is the papaya. From all of that papaya, just like that, because it's very bitter. And take this, the long bean. Gonna boil these things.
But the tofu noodles?
Yeah, maybe it's gonna be
but quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just 1 minute. Just to reheat it. To reheat it. It's to reheat it. Okay, so now you already have these. I'm gonna cut a little bit. It's gonna be bitter. I don't know if you, John, will like it. It's bitter, and my mom like eating this. Like, oh my God! It's like it's bitter. How you like it? But everything is in Indonesia. When I was kid, my mom always eat something related to like medicine or a medication thing. Or you eat this for your dish, you eat this for your dish. I was like, okay, but tastes not like what I want. I say, but it's good for you. I mean, it's bitter, acidy or something, but it's good for your body. So we don't need to go to a doctor a lot. Honestly, I don't like to go to a doctor because I don't like blood.
But that's funny since you said you wanted to be a nurse one day.
Blah.
And then you saw the blood and then you almost passed out.
Okay. Okay, we have this and then we can take the noodles now. Okay, and then we can take the noodles. Okay guys, let's put a noodle there. In Indonesia we do the tofu is not tofu noodles, but today I'm just gonna do the noodle. Okay, what I'm gonna do, we're gonna mix this with either with bumbu kuning or with bumbu putih, but I'm gonna use bumbu kuning.
Okay. You need a spoon?
Get a spoon. Maybe that much. Okay. This is the thing that we're gonna mix: papaya, tofu, and long bean. And I'm gonna put sambal, spicy sambal. Like, oh, that's too much. No. Then now what you do, just mix it. You put on the top, like that. Just mix it. In Indonesia, we use a shredded coconut, like a sauté shredded coconut.
That sounds really good.
Yeah. We call urap, but this is urap with no shredded coconut. We're gonna make urap next time, but this is just a simple salad. Noodles and papaya. You need papaya in your life. You need bitterness in your life. You need bitterness. Bitterness. Take here a little bit. See? There you go. This is our salad in Indonesia. You can find in every street, but in my island. If you want to put more salt, put salt. It's very simple and fast, but remember when you use papaya, it's bitter. But the bitter is right there, and it's good for your body.
I like the sambal, the heat of the sambal with the bitterness of the papaya leaves, and the long bean has got a little bit of a sweetness to it, so I think it kind of balances really nicely.
But I'm gonna put some sambal.
Oh yeah.
We don't put too much. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Guys, that's all he gave me.
Yeah, it's too spicy.
What am I gonna do with that? It's like a drop.
I'm gonna show you how to make urap for the next one, but since I don't have a shredded coconut,
This is really good, and obviously really healthy for you.
But again and again, I say the bitterness. The bitterness is right there. My mom eat this like, oh my gosh, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's bitter. I don't eat bitterness, but now I have to eat it for my healthiness.
Guys, the tofu noodles are actually really good. If you want to try to move a little away from regular pasta that has wheat and gluten and stuff. This is really good, and they already come soft, so you're really just heating them up. There's really not much to cook, right?
You just need to boil. That's it. But boil like in couple of minutes. Don't boil till like they'll give up. Let them crunchy.
I really like all the flavors in here. Definitely the bitterness is pronounced a little bit. But the flavors coming from everything else, the noodles, the long bean, the sambal, and which seasoning did you use? Cumin?
Cumin.
Really helps balance it.
But
It's just
yeah,
nice and fresh.
and even it's very simple back then in Indonesia. My mom just used garlic and shallot. That's it. But here we use bumbu kuning. Bitter, but it's good.
But with the proper seasonings,
Yeah.
it can also be good and medicinal at the same time.
Yes, and it's good for your body.
That was really good.
Yes. So
Okay.
easy. Boil everything, mix it. You're done with your salad. Very easy salad. Okay.
All right.
That's it. Don't forget to share,
That was
comment,
quick.
like. Very quick.
Yep.
And then we're gonna do something.
And remember, order our seasonings on KrakatoaCuisine.com or 17,000 Flavors. .cooking.
It's not open.
Yes.
Okay.
Or come by the restaurant if you're local, and we'd love to talk to you about the seasonings a little bit more if you're interested, and or come by for a meal.
Yes.
We are still open, so.
Thank you for watching.
So that's it. Yeah. Thank you very much, and
And
make the world tastier.